perpendicular. So in this case, what it says a line M is perpendicular to a line P that runs through the points 5, 6, 6, 10. What is the slope of line M? All right, so the first thing that I'm thinking about when looking at a problem like this is perpendicular. And one thing we need to remember about perpendicular is they have opposite reciprocal slopes, right? Perpendicular lines, they intersect, and they intersect at a 90-degree angle. Therefore, their slopes are opposite reciprocal. That means if one slope is positive, the other line is negative. And their slopes are also reciprocals of each other. Remember, taking the reciprocal of a fraction, we can just flip the numerator and the denominator. So the points 5, 6, and 6, P, or 6, 10 are for line P. So what we need to do is first determine what the slope is for that, and then reciprocate it and use the opposite to find the slope for M. So the slope formula, if you guys remember, is M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So then we need to be able to determine what is x1, y1, y2, x2. And basically, ladies and gentlemen, these are both x, y coordinates. All right, always points have x and y coordinates. But we just need to determine which one's 1 and which one's 2. And really, guys, it's up to your discretion. Just make sure that the coordinates are together, like x1 is next to y1, x2 is next to y2. And then basically, I'm just going to plug that in. So y2 is 10 minus y1, which is 6, over 6 minus 5, which equals 4 over 1. So that is the slope of line P. But again, we're trying to figure out what is the slope of line. I'm sorry, that's the slope. Yeah, it's the slope of line P. I know this kind of is confusing because this says M and that says M. M represents the slope for y equals mx plus b. All right? Maybe I'll do this like a large M. But we need to find the slope for large M. Well, again, we need to reciprocate this and then negate it. So it should be negative 1/4, which on your solution was question number C. So